Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Thank you so much for stopping by. If you're new, I hope that you enjoy the content that I post here. And if you are a returning subscriber, thank you guys so much for coming back. I really do appreciate it. Come on, let's do our air hugs. Come on. Thank you guys so much for coming back. I do appreciate all of you guys, seriously. So on today's video, I want to do a couple of things. The first thing that I wanted to do was to just stop for a moment and pause and just say thank you so much for 1,000 subscribers. When I started this channel, it was for two reasons. The first reason is to document our journey. This channel acts as a video diary for me and my husband, in a sense. So we go back and we watch the videos. We look at the progress that we have been making, and it just has been so encouraging to see the progress that we have been making. That's why I'm so big on visuals of any kind, whether that's a video diary or a normal diary, journaling, your visual charts or other things of that nature, because when you can see the progress that you're making, it brings a different feel to the journey that you're on. And so I wanted to start this channel as a way of documenting our journey to financial freedom. The second reason that I started this channel was to really make investing and on this road to FIRE, financial independence, retire early, or just financial freedom as a whole, I wanted to make it very approachable. And I wanted to make sure that people felt like they were represented, because I do feel like representation matters. And I can tell you, when I first started looking up investing on YouTube, I didn't see a lot of people of color and I didn't see a lot of women. And I fit both of those categories. So I wanted to really put myself out there and expose people that may have come from places that I come from, or who look the way that I look, and just let them know that there's a seat at the table for you too. Wealth does not have a certain look to it. It does not have a gender to it. Wealth is wealth. And I wanted to make a visual for people to see that, okay, this is how you do it, and this is how I can do it too. That's one reason why I show my accounts on here. That's one reason why I have all the spreadsheets. That's one reason why I talk about real numbers, because I feel like and I'm a visual person, that's how I learn best. And if I can see what people are clicking on and get some idea of why they're doing what they're doing, and hearing how they explain things and why they do things a certain way, knowing that they are also in this pot with me. You'll be surprised, a lot of people on social media that really pump up stocks, they call them pump and dump, and they aren't invested in it. And if they are, they have already gotten out and gotten their gains. And then of course most people are left holding the bag. And I really wanted to just expose this whole idea of investing and financial independence to a broader audience, because I feel like there isn't a lot of people out there who come from different backgrounds talking about this, but finances impact everybody. And so again, that's why I started my channel, and I'm so thankful for you guys for sticking around, for being here, for liking and sharing and letting me know through DMs and emails how much you appreciate it. Yes, I'm not a huge channel, but I really like the relationship, the community that we have here. And so thank you guys so much for just everything that you do. And if you do enjoy the content, share this channel, share this video, so that we can expose more people, because my husband and myself, we don't want to just be millionaires. I want to know several other Black millionaires, or women millionaires, or Asian millionaires, just different minorities who have been able to achieve wealth and break a lot of these generational curses that's going on. So again, guys, thank you so much. I have some really great things up the pipeline. I have some really awesome videos, a lot of requests from you guys on different types of investing videos to do, so stay tuned for that. Again, thank you so much for 1,000 subscribers, and I'll have another big giveaway at 2,000. So thank you guys. Next is shout outs. Now, I did say I was going to try to do this in a couple of videos, but I like this setup that I started in the last video that I did the shout outs in, which was the giveaway video. So what I'm going to do is every week in one video, most likely at the beginning of the week. So this video will be going up on a Monday. I'm going to be doing several shout outs in those videos, and I'm going to tell you why I'm shouting out these people. And like I said before, picking people on different facets of their financial freedom journey, because there's a lot of people that are trying to achieve financial freedom for different reasons. Maybe to pay off their mortgage, maybe to buy a house, get out of debt, pay off their student loans, start investing more, achieve financial independence. And I want to really make sure I reach out to a lot of those different areas, because you'll be surprised at how many people are on their financial freedom journeys for different reasons. And there's more than one way to achieve financial freedom, because it's what your financial freedom is all about. So shout out. So I have 4 shout outs in today's video. And so let me just get right to it. And I'll have their information on the screen, either this way, I think it is, or this way. It'll be on the screen. And I'll have their channels in a description box below. So the first channel is Budgeting the Bacon. Now, one thing I really enjoy about her channel is that she is on her own debt-free journey and building wealth and things like that, but she's really focusing right now on paying off her mortgage. And I know a lot of you may think, oh, I would love to pay my mortgage off one day. She's a great person to follow. I think she has 16 or 18 months left, something like that. Correct me if I'm wrong, sis, because I know you're probably watching. And so it's really motivating to see somebody that close to paying off their mortgage. I love watching it, and I love watching her channel, and I love how she's really documenting her journey with real numbers, because you know I'm a fan of the real numbers over here. And I really enjoy seeing people really attack, because that's a big goal, paying off your mortgage. But she broke it down, and she got her trackers and sheets, and she's just, doing the thing. So go over and follow Budgeting the Bacon. Next is my girl Marlene. Her and I, we've only known each other for a little while now, but we have become really good friends, I think. Now, correct me if I'm wrong, Marlene. I know you're not going to leave me out here like this. But go over and subscribe to her channel. I think she's at 950 subscribers. So she's literally like almost at the 1,000 subscriber mark, where she can go ahead and get monetized. Because let me tell you, she does a little bit of everything on her channel. So if you like the little bit of everything, debt payoff, investing, financial independence, she does a lot of shopping vlogs for food and how to shop your pantries, making your grocery list. Go follow her, guys. You will probably love a lot of the content that she does post. She always is having some type of giveaway. She is has such a giving heart, and she really believes, like I do, in the whole giving back. It's so important to make sure we bring a lot of people to the table, because there's more than enough room on social media for all of us to get to our goals together. So go on over and follow Marlene. Again, her information will be in the description box below. Next is Mel's Millennial Mortgage. I love seeing the guys on this journey, and so I have to include a guy, a brother, my bro on this journey. He's been really supportive on my channel as well, and he is trying to pay off his mortgage too. Again, you're getting two mortgage payoff folks in this video. He's also trying to achieve financial independence. I think it's Coastal Fire. Correct me if I'm wrong, Mel, but go on over and follow him. It's so nice to see somebody younger really starting to do the thing. And he tells you he didn't start when he was 18, but the fact that he's starting before I did is really great. And again, guys, to see a lot of men on this journey is really inspiring, because usually budgeting and stuff is women usually do that. And so to see a male getting onto this platform and really documenting his journey, he shows his real numbers as well. He does have his conversations where he talks to us about what he's doing and bringing us up to speed. And I really like channels that really explain what they're doing and why they're doing it, because you'd be surprised, a lot of people that don't know. So go on over and follow his channel. I really think you guys will enjoy his content. And last but not least is Savvy Salena. Now please tell me if I'm saying your name wrong. Is Salena, or Salena, the Beady Beady Bum Bum singer? Because I'm a really big fan of her, by the way. And so let me know. I hope I'm not saying your name wrong, but if I am, please forgive me, sis. Okay, now let me tell you why I like her channel. So her channel is all about marriage, money, and she's getting her MBA, guys. And I really love seeing women who are just like out here taking names. I mean, she's managing a household, investing, she's managing going to school to get her master's. I mean, you're talking about encouragement. If you want to be encouraged by somebody who can do just all of it, and she'll tell you that, you know, there's some times where she has, you know, some trouble managing things, but the fact that she is just doing it with a smile, okay, is like enough for you to go over and subscribe to her. She is documenting her journey. She does her budget with real numbers as well. And again, guys, it's so important to make sure that you follow people that really gives you some type of insight to their journey and why they're doing what they're doing. And she is another person who really keeps you updated, keeps you in tune to why she's doing certain things. And again, she's going to school and she's managing a household and working, and she's a wife and a mama. She's doing just all of the things. And like I said, I'm inspired by her. I'm encouraged when I watch her stuff, and I think you guys would be encouraged and inspired if you go on and follow her. So go on and follow her, and all of the people, their information will be down in the description box below. And stay tuned for next week. It'll probably be later next week because I'm going on vacation. So I'm going to try to get that video. I bet it'll be sometime next week where I'll do some shout outs as well. And I really do enjoy doing these, guys. So last but not least is the giveaway winner. So I'm going to pause or turn this off, turn the camera around, and I'm going to take you to the pick a wheel on the computer, and we're going to see who won. But remember, guys, you had to be subscribed to my YouTube channel. You had to follow me over on Instagram, and you had to answer the 2 questions. One question was, why do you like the channel? And the second question was, what does financial freedom mean to you? So if you did those things, you'll see your name on the wheel right here, and that's it. So let's go on and pick 2 winners. All right, guys, don't mind this ad down here. But yeah, we have all the names entered, so we're going to pick a winner. Pick. Who's up? Okay, Turtles Can Fly 7. Email me at my email below. It'll be up on the screen as well, so we can get you connected to Desiree. That's who you're going to get your binder from, and I'll get you all of your prizes. But again, you have to send me an email. It will be on the screen and down in the description box below. You have to do it by the end of the week, Friday at 6 p.m. You have to notify me by. All right, let's go on. Let's take her out. We're going to X her out. And then we're going to do a second one. Who's going to get their binder from Britt at Plan Your One Life. All right. Ooh, Tasha, mind your money. All right, girl. You are getting your binder from Britt. So again, contact me at my email so I can get you connected and get you your other prizes as well. Again, you have to do it by this coming Friday at 6 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. So thank you guys so much for everything, for entering the giveaway. I'll have another one, like I said, at 2,000 subscribers. Don't forget to like the channel, subscribe if you haven't, leave me a comment, and until next time, I'll see you in the next one. Bye, guys.